People, they can understand these things also. Prem is hot or prem is cool. How do you understand? Prem is poison or prem is nectar? Chaitanya Charitamrita will explain. Prem is as like, what do you call? Vishamriti Milan. Visa and Amrita. You understand? Then you drink. Visa means poison, or Amrita means nectar. So nectar and poison mixed and drink. Or give you another example. Prem is very hot or prem is very cool. Well, both. Understand? Hot and cool not staying together. You cannot keep one piece of ice and also the fire cannot stay together. But transcendental, this is the staying together. When prem manifested one's heart, and that time they very hot and also very cold. Look these things. And just I give an example, when you high fever, extreme heat of the fever coming. Then you can touch your own hand, body, you are feeling cool. Or other person touch your body, very hot. Understand? When you feel very high fever and your body is shaking and feeling very cold, give me blanket, more 3-4 blankets. Blanket or not? And you are feeling your body cold. Or other person will touch your body, very hot. Mundane things look like this. But in the stage of prem, that is transcendental. So for this regard, at a time, two things. Very hot and cold. Then, look this. So now coming in this way, Srimati Radhika, she is thinking at the stage of highest prem, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. That time only I may tolerate. And Krishna cannot tolerate. And another things at the time of Viraha and separation mode. And then what kinds of activities only I can do? Rolling on the ground and many kinds of activities. That's called Ha, Bhav, Hela, Kring, Chid, Bikko. Many kinds of activities are there. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she noticed, Krishna, he took my mood, bhav, and going to practice. But how can he tolerate? For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she herself completely covered the whole body of Krishna. For this regard, Krishna's body now completely covered with the golden complexion. Actually, this golden complexion, that is called Srimati Radhika, she herself. So the Radha Bhava Duti Subalitam. Krishna no me Krishna. Radha Bhav. Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood, and then Srimati Radhika, she herself completely covered the Krishna's body with her own complexion. Srimati Radhika's complexion and Srimati Radhika are non-different. For this Shastra saying, Deha Dehi Vedanasti. They are not one difference. Deha and Dehi. Both are same. Our body and soul difference. This body is called material body, made by the 5 elements. Or inside the soul, that is called transcendental, Sachidananda. Because all the jivas, they are called the part and parcel of Lord. It's Mami Vangsa Jiva. So that means conditional soul, and there are the 2 bodies. That is gross body, and that is called transcendental body. Or who is Bhagavat Tattva? Their body is called, all will get transcendental, Sachidananda Vigraha. Isara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karna Karana. Actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is Krishna. His black is Krishna. Or now, Srimati Radhika, she herself completely covered golden complexion. Actually, Srimati Radhika herself completely wrapped, wrapping. So, for this Radha Krishna ekoi sarup lila ras asadite dhare doiro. Radha Krishna is one. But when they perform lila, they turn 2 forms. One is Radha and another is Krishna. Shakti Shaktiman Urdaur Aveda. Try to understand. Tattva Siddhanta is there. Shakti Shaktiman. Krishna is called Shaktiman, or Srimati Radhika, she is called Shakti. Radha Krishna ekoi sarup lila ras asadite dhare doiro. Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Purna Shaktiman, Dui Vastu Bhed Nahi, Shastra Praman. This is the evidence from the scriptures. So now coming in this way, when Krishna is coming from Golok Vrindavan, and he took Srimati Radhika's mood, then Srimati Radhika, she herself covered Krishna's whole body. Or this guy Jiva Goswami Pad explained, Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura. Which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, inside is Krishna, or outside Gaura. Gaura means golden complexion, there is Srimati Radhika. This is also very clearly explained in Rayaramanda Sangbad. Rayaramanda, he asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, tell to me, who are you? Mahaprabhu told, I am Mayavadi Sannasi. And I am Jiva Tattva. Well, no. Prathama dekhilu tumar. Prathama dekhilu tumar sannyas roop. Then again I saw your Sam roop. Sam and Krishna Sarup. Then I saw your body completely covered with golden complexion. So that means you are same Krishna, but your body completely covered with Srimati Radhika. Very nice, beautiful katha is there. So now coming in this way. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is appeared. That means when Krishna is coming from Golok Vrindavan, and that time Srimati Radhika, she completely covered Krishna's body. So Radha Krishna Eko Isaro. That is called Sachinandan Gaura Hari. So for this regard, who brought Krishna Sachinandan Gaura Hari in this material world? That is called the calling of Advaita Acharya. Remember, if Advaita Acharya would not call, so how possible Sachinandan Gaur Hari will appear in this material world? So for this main reason, that is called the calling of Advaita Acharya. Because Advaita Acharya is a great devotee. When Lord will appear in front of us, if we will call, Krishna will not appear. If a great devotee is calling, then will be appear. This is the process. Ekaki amar नहीं पाय बल हरि नाम संकीर्तने अरे तुम्हें कृपा करी श्रद्धा बिंदु दिया देह कृष्ण नाम धने ओए वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर ए दासे करुणा कोरी आरे दिया पद छाया शोधाए आमारे तुम्हार चरण धोरी क्षय बेगद में क्षय दोष शुद्धि क्षय गुण देह दासे आरे क्षय सत संग देह आमारे बसेছি संगे रयासे those are devotee of Lord, they are always very humble. They are singing this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very humble. He is saying, O he Vaishnava Thakur, Dayar Sagar, Edase Koruna Kori. আর দিয়া পদ ছায়া শোধায়ে আমারে তোমার চরণ ধরি হে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর you give me one the sprinkle of mercy upon me. I cannot control all my 6 enemies. What are your 6 enemies? Lust, anger, enviousness, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मद and massage. Enviousness, stupid nonsense, cannot control. Hey Vaishnava Thakur, if you pray to me, if you pray to Lord on behalf of me, then Lord will listen and your prayers. My prayers will not listen. Vaishnaver avedane Krishna दयामय एहान पामर प्रति हवे न सदाय. Vaishnava Thakur, if the Vaishnava Thakur pray to Lord, then Lord will listen. Understand? These are things. So they try to understand this philosophy also. And Gopi Geet is going, Gopi, all the gopis assembled on the bank of the Jamuna, and Krishna disappears for rush dance. All the gopis are singing or not? Or they singing? Jayati te odikang janmana braja srayato indira shastra atrahe doita dikchatang dikchutavoka Hridita sava twang vichinnate saradadu dasaye sadhu jatase sarojasi jodhare Sri Musadrisa suratana tote sulkadasika varadani gnato neya king vada विसज्जला पायात बैल राक्षसा वर्ष मारुतात वैदुता नदा ऋषभते मायम नोदिते शतार्मुहु नखलु गोपिका नंदनो भवान अखिल देहिना रंतरात्मदे विघ्नसार्थितो विश्वगुप्तये सखे उदीयवान् अकथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कविविरीडितं कल्मषापं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदात्ततं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना तव कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कवि विरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवण मंगलं श्रीमदाततं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना. Krishna appeared in the assembly of gopis. Right? Why? Many gopis they recited this verse, but Krishna did not listen. When Srimati Radhika he recited, then Krishna listened. You understand? Among the all gopis they are saying, if Srimati Radhika would not stay in there the Rasa Leela Gopi Geet, and maybe Krishna will not appear. We try to understand these things. In the Gopi Geet, who is the main and what is it called? And singing and glorification of Krishna the Gopi Geet. That is Srimati Radhika. Chandravali she is there also. But Krishna listened which song? Srimati Radhika. And understand this. And thousand people are singing. Thousand people also praying. Krishna will not appear. When one Suddha Bhakta will pray, they will appear. You understand? This is the process also. Why Krishna appeared in the assembly house of the gopis? Because Srimati Radhika she recited. And actually the most of the verses recited by Srimati Radhika herself. And so Krishna could not hide. Krishna appeared. There is the process. Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pada or Goswamis in their commentary explain. Tasanga Virubhu Sauri Smayamano Mukhambuja. So now coming in this, I am saying because if Advaita Acharya would not calling to Krishna, maybe Krishna will be appear in this Kali in the form of Sachinandan Gaurvari. Maybe later. When he will come, he knows. He is Satantra Satchamaya Purush. But when Advaita Acharya is calling and offering Tulasi leaves, actually Tulasi Dal. Here use this word Tulasi Dal. Tulasi Dal means is what? 2 leaves side and 1 manjari. That is called Tulasi Dal. General meaning of Tulasi Patra, you can offer to Tulasi Patra. Okay. But Tulasi Dal, here we get Tulasi Dala Matrena Jalasa Chulukeno Ba. Here Dal means 2 leaves and middle very soft manjari. That is called the perfect meaning of Tulasi Dal. So Tulasi Dala Matrena Jalasa Chulukeno Ba. Yeah, jal means not ordinary water. Ganga jal. And as like Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, Patra Pushpam Phalang Toyam Jome Bhakta Prajachyate. Patra means Shiva. Any leaves offered to Krishna, not Krishna will up. Needs which leaves? Tulasi leaves. Patra means Tulasi Patra. Patram. Pushpa means flowers. Which flowers is offered to Krishna?
Mild fragrance. Mild fragrance. Mild fragrance.
Krishna's very favorite flowers. That is called buck flowers. Understand? And one kinds of flowers. You read Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and the Rasan also they are putting these. White white colors. Eh? Understand? Very soft. Eh? Eh. And Govinda Lilamrit Grantha also mentioned that flowers. And understand? Srimati Radhika's very favorite flowers, that is called Siris Pushpa. What is called? Write down. And Krishna's very favorite flowers name is called and Bach flowers. And Bach Pushpa. Not Bakul. Bakul is another thing. Bach Pushpa.
Bach Pushpa in the temple. He's saying in the temple we can see Bach Pushpa.
Bach Pushpa. Is in our Navadip temple. Where
is it?
Bach is the one with little reddish and it's white and the bottom is red. No, it's a full white.
white, little bit, what is it called? Little bit reddish color. But white and reddish color.
Okay, I know.
And very soft. That is mentioned in Govinda Lilamrit Grantha also. And one flower is a Bakul Pushpa. Different flowers, these are very sweet. Very, very soft. You can make garland to Krishna. Rather than Krishna is very favorite. Our Srimati Radhika's flowers name is called Siris Pushpa. What is it called? Sirish. Siris Pushpa, that flowers is very soft and completely kumkum color. If you just touch your two fingers and that will be melt, look like melt. Understand this? So remember, Krishna or Radha Krishna both are they taking, that is called Bakul flowers, star flowers, you know. A very sweet way. Bakul Pushpa. Understand these things? And so only remember, Krishna's very favorite flowers name is called Bach flowers. Or Srimati Radhika's favorite flower, that is called Siris Pushpa. Understand? So now coming in this way, what do you say? Tulasi Dal. Phalam, and Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, and Patra, Pushpa, Phalam. Phalam means which fruits we offer to Krishna?
Which one is his favorite?
Krishna's favorite.
Which one? Mango?
He's saying
Devotees say that Radharani's favorite is pomegranate.
pomegranate. Okay.
Anna?
Anna. Are Krishna's?
Mango? People say this. Devotees always say this. Which one is that?
What is it called?
Rambutan.
I say Rambutan.
This is his favorite.
Okay, little. Patra Pushpam, Phalam, Toyam. Toyam means water. Which water? Ganga Jal. Ganga Jal, water of the Ganga. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. So Advaita Acharya in this way. And he brought from Golok Vihari Krishna. So for this regard is called the what is called? The calling of Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya. This. So this way.
We have considered that he roared. He did a roar. He roared.
Roaring.
Yeah, roar. Yeah, roar. It means that when he gave the Tulasi Dala, that was like a roaring, like a roar, or because one moment when he saw the
I don't know when
screamed.
Advaita Acharya roaring.
Yeah.
As like lion.
Yeah, he really did like this.
I will destroy. Then Mahaprabhu is saying to this, one day Mahaprabhu told to Advaita Acharya and in front of the devotee. His name is called Nada. Nada Nada boli Prabhu karilo Ahvan. So what is the meaning of Nada? Then explain, Mahaprabhu himself explained. I was sleeping and in the Chir Samudra, in the ocean of milk. Then when Advaita Acharya is roaring, when Advaita Acharya is roaring, when Advaita Acharya saw the Brahmana, Panditas, people are not following the rules and regulations. They are eating meat, fish, onion, garlic, and also sacrifice the goat in front of Devi Kali. Even they wasted the money with the marriage ceremony of and she cat, he cat, bidal, bidali, vivav.
I've never seen this yet. Even now in Western countries, people don't do marriage yet.
Are you Western country who are doing this in North India?
Marriage of pets?
Like parties for dogs and maybe
They are doing also the
probably they are doing.
she dog, he dogs, they are also marriage ceremony. Huh? This Kali is coming everywhere, not only in everywhere. How to spend the money? If you have lot of money, how to spend? Spend of money to enjoy many kinds of sense gratification. More money. Understand? These are things. And understand? Drinking alcohol. They are called the party. So everywhere they are going this. Kali is everywhere. And so now Advaita Acharya. So Advaita Acharya roaring that time. I will destroy. The sound is going.
And this roaring shake, then also wake up.
When he wake up, Mahaprabhu is saying, I wake up. Because I am same Mahavishnu. And I am the origin. So Sutya Sinvami Kirsa Mudra Ture More Nidra Bhangilo Nadara Hunkare. Then a real sound came. Yeah, there is a keep patient. Soon your master will appear in this Kali Yuga, and he will reestablish Varnashram Dharma, everything this way. Already told. But Advaita says soon means is what? Soon means not fixed time. Understand? And after 1 hour and 12:30 I will arrive. This is called the fixed time. Or soon means no fixed time. Soon coming. He will come soon. After 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So for this Advaita said no, at this time. So for this Advaita he took Tulasi Dala and Ganga Jal. Not other water. Ganga Jal. Tulasi Dala Matrino Jalasya Chulukena. And offering. Then Golok Vihari Krishna he appeared. In the womb of Mother Sachi Devi. These are things. So for this regard, who brought Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the what this is Advaita Acharya. Then before Krishna is thinking, I will appear. This is true. According to the rules. Dapar is in the end of Dapar, in the beginning of Kali Yuga. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come. But when will come? Not fixed time. But when Advaita is calling, that will come. Look at this. Then Sachinandana Gaurhari, he appeared from the womb of Mother सची देवी, सची सुंदर गौर सुंदर। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की है। अनदर करो नाउ 10:30 है। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की है। जय जय श्री राम। जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन हे अद्वैतेर प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी, अद्वैतेर प्राण धन। हलो जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन हरे नित्यानंदेर प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी, नित्यानंदेर प्राण धन। हलो नदिया बिहारी जय नदिया बिहारी, ओ जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन। हलो गौर 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 रक्ष मां, गौर 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 पाहि मां। हलो भजा गौरांग जप गौरांग, अल्लाह गौरांगेर नाम रे, अल्लाह गौरांगेर नाम। हलो गौर 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 रक्ष मां, गौर गौर हरे गौर 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 पाहि मां। हो गौर 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 रक्ष मां, हरे गौर 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 पाहि मां। हेलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हेलो जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, हेलो जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन हरे नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी। हेलो जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन हरे नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी। हेलो नदिया बिहारी जय नदिया बिहारी, हेलो जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, हरे विष्णु प्रिय प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी। हेलो जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, हरे नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी। हरे नदिया बिहारी जय नदिया बिहारी, हरे नदिया बिहारी जय नदिया बिहारी। जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, जय सचिनंदन हरे नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी। जय सचिनंदन जय गौरवोरी, हरे नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी। हेलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Hari Bol, 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 Hari Bol. Good morning, Hari Hari. Advaita ki. So evening we will glorify more Advaita Acharya's life history and his contribution. Bhalo Advaita Acharya ki jai. Very nice.
Pranakishwari we organized. Remember in New Year festival? New Year.
Oh.
Sundari, she was a great acharya. Remember?